Hey guys, Maggie Nolan here from Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Patrick's not with me today. He's like out jackhammering something on our property. Don't even get me started. I don't know. I think he's jackhammering some brick foundation thing, which is awesome. So I figured I'd hop on and share with you 3 tips for photographing brides on a wedding day. Obviously, you guys know we're wedding photographers full time. We still have 22 weddings left this year, holy moly, and it's August. So 3 how-tos for photographing a bride on wedding day. First and foremost, we say head to toe. When you get by yourself with the bride, I always start head to toe. I start with veil, I start with eyelashes, I start with makeup, I start with jewelry, and I slowly work myself down the body. Part of that is so that I can ensure that when we deliver final gallery, she is getting every part of her body, literally, like even the bodice and the lace or the, beading, whether it's the back, whether it's a zipper, whether it's a million buttons, or it's like string. We want to make sure all of that's covered, so head to toe. Number 2 is bride favorites. We always ask our girls what their favorite part of their dress or wedding day is, because we want to make sure we spend a little extra time. I had a bride a couple weeks ago say that his favorite detail of her dress was the butt, even though he had not seen the dress yet. So we made sure to incorporate really beautiful back to the ground photographs of our bride. Number 3, items physically on the body. So that's earrings, necklace, bracelets, rings, even like family heirlooms if there are additional ones, shoes. So we work head to toe. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great week, everyone. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.